Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to sign in to your PicsArt account using the PicsArt application on your Android. First of all, launch open the PicsArt app from your device. If you don't have the app yet, go visit your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the app and launch it open. Once you end up in the home page of PicsArt, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Human button. On the next page, you can go ahead and continue signing up with PicsArt using your Google account, Facebook account, or email. If you already have an account, tap on Sign In at the bottom. On the next page, you can also log in with your Google or Facebook account if you previously used the same option while creating an account for yourself. But if you've used email, you can go ahead and enter your email address or username in the first field and then type down your password in the password box. After typing down your credential, you can tap Sign In. If you don't remember your password, click Forgot Your Password link and follow through the password reset process. If your credential is correct, you can tap Sign In and you'll be logged into your PicsArt account. And that's it. That's how you log into PicsArt in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.